Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is something that I'm doing because I have nothing good to do. So yeah, here's my YouTube channel. So today we're going to Global Village with my family because why not? We're sitting at home doing nothing, so we thought we would step out and we would just go to Global Village because it's an attraction here in the UAE. Like, you know, it's all about diversity, right? And we're going to Global Village, and yeah, I'm taking you people along with me as well. So here's my first vlog. Okay, I'll try my level best not to be cringy as hell, but let's see how it turns out. So yeah, so stay tuned for more of my BS. So we just reached right here, and there's something beautiful that I just noticed. Well, it's the sunset. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Like, look at how beautiful that is. And this is the entrance, and we are getting in. So let's see. So we are in, guys. So this is the entrance. I mean, not the entrance. Like, this is the first thing that you see as you enter Global Village. This is beautiful. You can see something Chinese right there. You can see something Egyptian right there. You can see the Burj Khalifa. I mean, yeah, 2.0 right here. You can see the Big Ben, and you can see the Statue of Liberty. So let's get deep into it. So yeah. Pavilion that we're getting into, the Bahrain Kuwait pavilion. So yeah, so let's get there. Something that's very remarkable right here is the details that goes in the setup of the pavilion in these countries that they have set up right here. So something that is really impressive is the Iran pavilion, which has so beautiful, so much details into it. So here it is. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is how much effort they've put into it. Look at the details. It's so beautiful. Really love this pavilion, like how beautiful it's built. It's just beautiful. Like, look at it. It's so cool. Like, so cool. Okay, so it just turned dark, and this looks beautiful. Like, oh my god, like, this is beautiful.
Right there on top of the moon.
Hey guys, guys, we are in India right now. I mean the Indian Pavilion. This is massive and yeah, let's go inside. So we are in the Indian Chaat Bazaar and we ordered something to eat. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I mean, I'm here for the food, you know, above all. So let's see.
Just scared now, thinking I should call up.
Oh my god. So we ate dahi puri and we ate pani puri. Oh my god. It was out of the world. Like seriously, it was out of the world. Because it's been a long time since I've actually had the chaat sort of food. So it was dope and I loved it. So yeah, so we're gonna go inside the Indian Pavilion. So here we go. About to get into the Indian Pavilion and then we got distracted by a show that was happening in the African Pavilion on the other side, and we went there and we roamed around the African Pavilion and now we are back to the Indian Pavilion. So yeah, let's get in.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe.
Something else I'm really impressed by is the floating market, which is currently at its maximum occupancy of 80 people. Is the floating market. So this is a floating market and it's in water, and it looks beautiful, and it's mainly street food, I guess. So yes.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. Been gone for
Oh my god guys, I'm so tired. So now we're gonna explore, I think, Asia. There's like Thailand there's Japan here, there's Russia, wow, Russia, Syria, Thailand, Cambodia, and I guess that's it. I don't know. So yeah, so let's I think we're going into Thailand. So here we go.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
Well, we went into almost all pavilions right now. So another pavilion that we're getting into is, oh my god, where is it? Yeah, Europe. So we're getting into Europe, which is gonna be great, I guess. So Europe. So guys, we did some shopping from, where did we do shopping? Oh yeah, from Europe. We did some shopping from Europe and we are walking right now, I don't know where. And vlogging, well, my vlogging experience has not been that great so far because, because it's not something that I'm used to doing. So God knows if I'll continue this or not. So anyway, you get to see my ugly face. So we are moving on. So if I actually come here back every year, it's because of one thing, and that's for the food, obviously. And out of all the food that we get right here, one thing that always stays our family's favorite is this. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh my god guys, this gulab jamun look like Arabic dish is actually one of our favorites and we love it. So we're gonna buy that right now. So yeah. Well, here is the UAE pavilion. We're not going inside. Well, obviously we live right here, so it's nothing new for us to see. And we are just walking to, I don't know where, we're just walking. Hey guys, so this is a wrap to today's vlog. I hope everybody liked it, and I definitely did enjoy it. It was something different that different from something that I'm used to usually. So it's been a great experience, and I hope everybody liked it. So subscribe, is that what YouTubers say? Subscribe, share it with your friends. I mean, I'm not insisting on that because you're sharing my video. So I don't know if I'm going to continue this. Let's see. And God knows, I don't know what type of reviews are awaiting for me. So definitely 90% of it is going to be negative. So I mean, who cares at the end of the day? And it's something that I like doing. I mean, I did definitely enjoy it. And if occasion arises, I might make another one. And yeah, thanks for supporting, thanks for watching. And have a great day. Well, I was about to wind up and then there is like a firework for no apparent reason. Like, oh my god.